Hey guys, welcome back to Dazzling Stars. Today I'm gonna show you how to make jewelry box or a gift box. The advantage is it's made totally out of waste material. Are you guys curious? Let's start. For making this, we need some sheets of old newspaper and a pair of good scissors. First, we want to cut it into two halves. Further, we are cutting it into four long pieces. Then we want to make rolls of the newspaper. These are the rolls of newspaper. Now we want to take long strip of 2-use paper. Spread gum on the paper. Continue laying the rolls like this till the end of the strip. I have sticked all the rolls. Now we are going to paint the strips with acrylic paint. You can also use watercolor or any type of color as your choice. I am taking pink color. My pink is really dark, so I am mixing it with some of white acrylic paint. Now the strips are painted. Take 2 pieces of square cardboard and cut it into the shape of hearts. You can make it bigger in size, but I am making a medium type size box. Now again we are using newspaper and we also need a pen. Now I am drawing the heart in the newspaper. I am cutting the sheets of newspaper. I'm gonna cut 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! We want to stick the newspaper together. Now we want to stick the newspaper heart into the cardboard heart. There are some extra rolls of paper, so I am sticking it on the top of the heart. Here we go, like this. Now let's paint it with pink acrylic. This is the condition of the box. Let's make it some more beautiful. Now we are cutting it into boxes of 4x4. Then we need a long roll of newspaper and want to stick it in the middle of the box. Take the paper and fold it into halves. Fold it like this 2 times and cut it into the shape of a petal. After that, cut like this. Then we want to stick it. In the second one, also the same procedure, but we want to cut one of the petal. For the third one, we want to cut 2 petals. And for the fourth one, I am cutting like the first one because my flower is small in size. I have made all the flowers. The colors make the flowers pretty, isn't it? So of course we want to paint it. The first one I'm painting it with orange acrylic. I painted all the flowers. I also made some cute little leaves. Now I'm going to stick it into the box. This can be used as a jewelry box or a showcase piece which can be gifted for the birthdays of your dear ones. Aradi, happy birthday Aradi. This is your gift.
Wow, my favorite flower.
Did you like it?
Yes, I like this gift. Thank you, sister. I like this gift. If you like this video, please like,
Share and subscribe and click the bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching.
this.
See you on next video. Bye.